Aspirants, I must welcome you all to University Institute of Legal Studies, Chandigarh University. It is one of the finest institutions offering a large range of undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral studies, which has a specialization in management studies, humanities, as well as in corporate sector like commerce studies as such. We have a large number of students here who are coming from different backgrounds, and they are coming from almost all parts of India, as well as they are coming from abroad also. We have students from many countries who are trying to mingle up and to be a professional with us, and when they are being trained not only in academics but also in para-academic activities like moot court competitions, parliamentary debate, modern United Nations, as well as we are trying to give them a specific on-the-job training with staff interning, which we are specifying with many people who are actually professionals in the corporations as well as like judges. Dear aspirants, I would suggest you to come and to join us because we have a large faculty with us who are experienced in corporations as well as in academia. They are highly qualified professionals and they are going to share their experiences in the real life as well as their understanding of the academics for their development, as well as we are trying to give them an approach of understanding which is a mix of principle and the practice both.
University Institute of Legal Studies is actually fulfilling the motive of Chandigarh University, that is discover, learn and empower. It helps students to discover new things by organizing national moot court competition, national seminars and various other competitions which help students to enhance their knowledge.
Being from an engineering background, I was quite reluctant to join a law course, but after a year in the law course in Chandigarh University, I am very much sure I have made a correct decision. And even we do not need to carry our books into the classes, as we are provided notes on the internet page, that is the UIMS page of the university. We have a wide range of books even in our library, and to add to that, we are allowed to participate in national and international moot court competitions.
Course curriculum is very apt to the changing needs of global environment institution. I opt law to get maximum benefits in theoretical, practical aspect of law.